West Hume Landcare have run a series of farm water management planning workshops. At these workshops, landholders learned to establish their farm water use and whether they have sufficient water to water their stock over the season. As part of this project, we ran an expression of interest for landholders interested in establishing a farm water plan and the works on their property.
We usually run about 20 head here, just on this paddock. So I completely fenced the dam to keep the stock out. And then behind me, we had excavation done, put in 40 odd tonne of rock after the excavation. Beneath that is geofabric, and then an abrasive sort of a rock, and then a round rock like a river rock, so it's easy for the stock. So consequently they go there and drink over where the hardened access is, and it keeps them away from pugging the dam and also doing their business in the water. So obviously you get a much better water quality, and better water quality, better stock.
Paul's system on his small holding is an example of a very scalable approach. His system has increased his water storage capacity, given him the ability to reticulate the water to where he needs it on his property, and in time really improved the water quality through fencing off the dam and revegetating.
Through Landcare we're putting in around about 300 different grasses. So we have a hill behind us here, and all the water gravitates to the centre of this dam, so the water will come off the hill through the grasses, natural filtration system, and into the dam.
Paul's system includes a hardened access, which many farmers like as a backup system to reticulation, or simply as a controlled access to reduce fouling of the water or reduce pugging around the dam.
Okay, now we've got this solar pump. We run two 1.5 inch holly pipes. One of the pipes pumps the water up to the top of the house tank, and that's where it stays. And then we have another pipe which is gravity feed back into the troughs. So two separate pipes in the same trench, and that will gravity feed. And each trough I have an on-off switch, so I can manipulate where the water goes around the farm. Environmentally, you're improving the environment. So we've not only done it, we've planted trees and everything else, so we're big on environment, looking after the environment.
After a few years, the site might look like this. The water's being filtered, revegetation's helping with biodiversity, and the stock in this area are doing a little bit better. If you want more information or assistance, check out the Local Land Services Farm Water Management Planning webpage.
If you look after nature, it looks after you.